This is Jeremy from SkipperBud's North Point Yacht Center, and today we will be looking at a very fresh to the market 2003 240 Sundeck. One of Sea Ray's most popular boats ever built. As you'll see throughout this entire walkthrough, this may be one of the most pampered 20-year-old vessels I've been aboard in my almost 20 years here with the company. Even the snapping carpet looks like it's new. It is powered by a 350 mag, 300 horsepower Bravo 3 system, and sports a meager 88 hours. Forward beach ladder under the hatch, and of course a stern boarding ladder on the extended platform. This boat again boasts some wonderful features, from a freshwater tank. There's a sprayer here at the forward as well as one under the stern. A waste pump out. There's seating for 12. And one of the things that made this boat so successful was its deep V hull. So you had the deck boat top that could seat many, but you had the ability to ride in comfort, not on a modified V or a tri-hull cut through the water like any of their other performance deep Vs. I just opened the wind gate, and if you close the windshield off, you can see how this can secure your passengers that are in the cockpit area of the boat for you. Keep them a little warmer on those cooler days. Big wraparound seating. Underneath is this 350 mag MPI multi-port injection. Two tables aboard, one for the cockpit, one for the bow. Massive in-floor storage here in the midship of the boat, and there's also a forward locker underneath the snap-in carpet. The head. And finally, our helm, and those aforementioned very, very light hours on this boat. 88 in fact. Be hard pressed to find a nicer 20-year-old vessel. Again, this is Jeremy. I want to thank you for taking a short tour of this beautiful 2003 240 Sundeck. For any questions you may have about this boat or any of our boats for that matter, you can contact us at SkipperBud's North Point Yacht Center at area code 847-872-3200. Have a great day.